So go ahead, Tess. So Tess is currently in the preset zone. So look at how easy it is to read the words that are on this board, right? No matter if Tess moves left or right, kind of moves around, it's still going to stay locked in on that presentation space. Now, if Tess leaves that presentation space, it will pick up and start auto-tracking her, right? Now, the lower third is not going to come up because we will address that. Oh, here we go. There it is. The lower third did come up, actually, Mike. And then when she goes back to that presentation space, boom, it calls the preset. It's going to keep it right there. That is one of the powers of a dual sensor camera.
Yeah, absolutely. You could even cut to another camera. It could be a PT optics camera. It could even be your SimplTrack3. You could cut to another stage or another area for performance. Even cue a light. If an actor steps onto a specific spot on stage, you could cue the light that they're stepping into.
Yeah, currently we support up to 4 preset zones. So in a classroom, you might have a presentation space.
Sure.
You might have a whiteboard and a blackboard. Maybe you're doing science experiments.
Mm-hmm.
And as you said, if there's a secondary camera, maybe it's a document camera.
Sure. Top down, pointing down at documents. Yeah.
We could switch to it. Depending on your video production software, we support all the standards-based commands. So you could control a Crestron system with this, an Extron system. So you can see how Tess is just easily going back and forth, triggering that preset zone by walking into that area. And then again, coming over here, boom, triggering that second preset area. And as great as auto tracking cameras are, when we've been working with our customers, we've been doing SimplTrack cameras for, I'm going to say 6 to 8 years.
Wow.
So we have a lot of experience working with customers, and this is what they want. They want to be able to have a nice, easy to read, for presentation spaces.
Absolutely.
So what do you think, Tess? Since you're on camera, you tell us.
I just think it's cool that I'm able to move around this space here, and it's not distracting by having a camera moving around. That can be distracting for students or audience members if you're in a presentation space. So pretty cool.
Yeah, I love the flexibility that you have, right? So you can get in very, detailed in how you want to set up these zones. But if you run like a dance studio, you can open this camera, plug it into your Ethernet, and it'll start tracking immediately. So it is a plug and play solution as well as something that is an enterprise software that allows you to manage these zones in a very complicated manner, as Paul is showing us here.